This 2026 Prime Time Crusader BONUS38 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Prime Time is 43 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleep's 8 LP detector, refrigerator, oven, carbon monoxide detector, TV, water heater, microwave, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, mid-bunk, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Prime Time Crusader BONUS38 is 13,202 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.